My video guide is about getting rid of fake Windows support alerts that come from the random website. This fake Windows support quotes this fake Windows support number +1 877 209 4619. So this is a fake Windows support number. It is not related to Windows or Microsoft. This is also a fake Windows Defender Security Center message, and you should not trust it. Simply leave this deceptive page. Also, keep in mind that these pop-ups could be the consequence of some adware enabled in your computer. We recommend you to completely leave this deceptive page and not to trust it. Also, we suggest that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then after it gets successfully installed, start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.